the Gadget God here, and today I'm going to show you hidden features on your fancy iPhone 10. Now the first one is something that everyone is going to want to know. It's called dark mode. So if you're in a dark room and your screen is blinding you, well, it's not blinding you anymore. Look at that. And look, now it's gone. With 3 taps of the side button, you can activate dark mode, but that's not by default. It is actually hidden in the settings. If you go to General and Accessibility and scroll on down to the very bottom, and we have Accessibility shortcut, and we're going to choose Invert Colors for our accessibility shortcut. Now, as you see along the top, you can triple click the side button for dark mode. Man, is that a lot better than being blinded by your screen at night. Triple click to go back to regular mode. Hidden features on the iPhone 10. Now I do have some more, but you don't want to hear me talk all day. You want to get back to watching some of my other videos. So let me know if you have any questions or comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Click subscribe to join the Gadget God squad. And if you didn't know already, I'm the Gadget God. I do the research, so you don't have to. Thanks for watching, everyone, and enjoy your iPhone 10 even better than you did before.